Whether you're looking for one of the best drones, one of the best camera drones, or even one of the best FPV drone ready-to-fly kits available, DJI will undoubtedly be on your watch list. And for good reason. DJI is the market leader and has developed some of the best consumer UAV technology to date with ease of use and reliability guaranteed. Whether you're an absolute beginner looking for an inexpensive beginner model or a more powerful and fully featured model, we've compiled a selection of the best DJI for all budgets. But it's safe to say that you will find an option in our recommended lineup that's perfect for you, wherever you are in your drone journey. The DJI Mini 2 SE is DJI's most inexpensive drone model and one that falls into the regulator-friendly sub-250-gram category. These two factors alone make it a great budget beginner option that benefits from DJI's solid UAV technology and build quality. The Mini 2 SE is a fairly basic model with no collision avoidance, but it does offer GPS positioning and return to home alongside QuickShot's automated flight patterns, which allow you to capture professional-looking videos at the touch of a button. Video can be captured at up to 7K at 30 frames per second, while 12-megapixel photos can be captured in both RAW and JPEG formats. The DJI Mini 3 is a beginner model that builds on the offering provided by the Mini 2 SE. Likewise, it doesn't offer collision avoidance, but it does provide GPS positioning, return to home, and QuickShot's automated flight patterns. It excels in being a more powerful drone with a longer battery life, despite also being a sub-250-gram model. Plus, the camera is much more advanced and provides excellent image quality with the ability to rotate the camera 90 degrees to capture photos and video in portrait format. Video can be captured at up to 4K at 30 frames per second with 12-megapixel and 48-megapixel photos in RAW and JPEG. As the name suggests, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a sub-250-gram model, but one that offers more professional-level features to suit both the needs of enthusiasts and professionals alike. The camera offers the ability to capture photos and videos in both landscape and portrait formats, although some functionality is more advanced. Video can be captured at up to 4K at 100 frames per second, with the ability to capture in the flat 10-bit D-Log M color profile, while photos can be captured at 12-megapixel and 48-megapixel in both RAW and JPEG. The Mini 4 Pro also offers omnidirectional collision avoidance, advanced subject tracking, and QuickShot's automated flight patterns, all within a sub-250-gram package. Taking up the middle ground in the DJI lineup in terms of size, weight, power, and functionality is the DJI Air3. This is a medium-sized foldable drone with a weight of 720 grams, but with this size increase over the Mini models, you get a lot more drone for your money, but with slightly more flight restrictions than sub-250-gram models in many regions. Flight times are up to 46 minutes, with 26 miles per hour wind resistance. Plus, there's omnidirectional collision avoidance, advanced return to home, and advanced subject tracking features. The dual camera provides excellent image quality with 24mm and 70mm equivalent focal lengths. Video can be captured up to 4K at 100 frames per second with professional options available, while photos can be captured at 12-megapixel and 48-megapixel with both cameras. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the best and most advanced consumer prosumer drone to date, thanks to advanced features including omnidirectional collision avoidance, advanced return to home, and advanced subject tracking. This is a powerful 958-gram drone offering 3 cameras on its gimbal. The main 24mm camera features an impressive 4/3 20-megapixel sensor, while the other 2 cameras use smaller sensors and provide 70mm and 166mm equivalent focal lengths. Image quality is excellent across the 3 cameras with professional video functionality available, alongside an adjustable aperture in the main camera. There are simply too many features to list, but this is the best foldable consumer drone money can buy. Did you find your perfect DJI drone? Let me know in the comments which drone sparked your inner aviator for more gadget adventures. Smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.